Ingots of aluminum, along with aluminum scrap, are melted in an electric furnace at Waukegan, Illinois, to be fabricated into parts for a product combining the highest degrees of usefulness and pleasurability. The product, Outboard Motors, cylinder heads for which are formed like this by die casting. Drilling, tapping, and reaming are done automatically with perfect precision here at the Johnson Motors division of the Outboard Marine and Manufacturing Company. On another machine, pistons are given accurate contours in a fraction of the time this operation used to require. Each one is inspected and tested to make sure dimensions, roundness, and other characteristics are within the tolerances specified. Meanwhile, other components are being fabricated. Here, it's propellers being reamed. Another test, one of hundreds necessary to ensure interchangeability of parts. The fact that one of these shrouds, as they're called, will fit any motor of a certain type is the basis of our American mass production system, whose vast output has made our standard of living the envy of the world. Now the various parts are assembled, and here we get some idea of the size of the company's operations. 3,000 persons are kept busy the year around in this plant, helping to supply the growing number of pleasure boaters with their means of propulsion. The motor now is basically complete, but before certain last parts are added, it joins hundreds of other motors awaiting final testing and adjustment. Each motor is mounted on a board with its propellers submerged and put through its paces, as electronic equipment reveals with scientific accuracy how it performs at various settings. Now they complete assembly. Parts that were touched by fuel or water in the test are removed, cleaned, and replaced. More than 4 million outboard motors are in use today, and some experts estimate the potential market at 20 million, as Americans turn to the water for enjoyment of their increased leisure hours. Here, a couple of young men set out for some fishing, perhaps, or swimming, or to visit friends down the shore. Who really cares much where you're going when you head out on a pleasant day like this with a dependable motor to speed you on your way?